Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Well, we will see some big changes today for the coast. Lots of sunshine. We're going to see some gusty winds out of the north and northeast, and that will allow those temperatures to warm up into the 70s for Gold Beach, Port Orford, and then Brookings getting up to around 80 today with that Chetco effect. With those winds funneling down the Chetco River Valley, that air descends, it compresses, and then it warms. So a good shot at least hitting 80 later today. For Northern California, it's going to be a lot hotter. So if you want to beat the heat, the coast is going to be the place to be through the holiday weekend. Up to 100 today in Wairika, 99 in Mount Shasta, triple digits, a good bet for Happy Camp and Soames Bar. East of the Cascades, temperatures climbing into the 90s, 93 for Silver Lake, 94 for Klamath Falls. We will see afternoon breezes picking up for inland areas. That'll help with the heat. Up into the mountains, we'll get up to around 85 for Lake of the Woods, 72 for Crater Lake. And in the Rogue Valley today, temperatures toasty in the mid to upper 90s, 98 the forecast high in Medford with those breezes picking up in the afternoon. For the coast, we're going to stay pretty warm through the next few days. It will be pretty blustery though as far as the winds are concerned. That'll be a key feature through the next few days. Lots of sunshine expected as well. We do have a heat advisory though for inland areas away from the coastline below 5,000 feet. This will continue, this heat advisory, through 11 p.m. on Wednesday. So this heat wave is going to last several days for Southern Oregon and Northern California. Here's a general look at high temperatures through Wednesday. Some of the hottest weather will be in the Rogue and Shasta valleys, and especially the Klamath River Valley, where we're going to look for temperatures well up into the triple digits. We could see, especially on Sunday, temperatures making a run towards near 110 degrees. So some very toasty conditions. Here's a look at your wine tasting forecast of the next couple of days. Definitely going to be rather hot both today and tomorrow. Lots of sunshine as well. Won't be as hot as you get up towards the Umpqua Valley. For your lake day forecast, that's a great idea this weekend. Maybe heading to Lost Creek Lake. Highs will be in the 90s both Saturday and Sunday. Breezes picking up in the afternoon. A lot of lakes will likely be pretty busy, and rivers as well through the holiday weekend. Heading up into the mountains, maybe doing some camping. It will be very warm. Highs, especially towards the Lake of the Woods area, getting into the mid to upper 80s. Those nights will be mild. And then taking a look at fire danger, where it stands, moderate for Curry, Klamath, and Lake County, and we're up to high now for Jackson and Josephine County. Here's a look at your 4th of July forecast. This is when likely we'll see the peak heat for the Rogue Valley, up to 101 in Grants Pass and Medford, 92 in Klamath Falls. So a toasty 4th, a big change from last year on the 4th of July. And then here's a look at your forecast for Boomfest, the fireworks at dusk. About 87 degrees, warm and breezy with clear conditions. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this: sunny and windy, fairly warm temperatures expected over the next several days. It's going to be hot in Northern California, temperatures up near 100 degrees or higher through the next several days, through at least Wednesday. And then the Klamath Basin, some of the hottest weather will be this weekend, highs in the mid 90s today and tomorrow. Still pretty toasty though, a string of 90s through this next week. Up in the mountains, very warm, lots of sunshine, staying dry, maybe introducing at least a slight chance of a shower or storm for the mountains, the east side in Northern California towards the end of next week. And then for the Rogue Valley, some very hot weather through the holiday weekend, some of the hottest conditions on the 4th of July itself and Wednesday.